The pink number 16 car, driven by Chelsea Stewart in her very first race. Brought to you by Brock Salvage, AC Tire, and Ryco. There's number 8, right there, the man in that plaid shirt with the sunglasses on. Troy Stewart, a very experienced Demolition Derby driver. Stewart there in the blue number 8 car. Watch out for him. He's looking across and giving a grin or two to Chelsea as we await the arrival of the others. Demolition Derby driving. You heard Chelsea talk about the skill, leaving that belt loose so that you can look backwards over top of your shoulder. The reason you want to use the back side to smash and crash and protect that front side. While the radiator can blow, you can continue to run. An engine begins to heat up. Here comes the number 95 car, Darren Derbyshire. Brought to you by Brock Salvage, Hoopin' Scuba Duty, and Canadian Tire Services. We got the number 7 car, Carl here. The number 13 car is the orange one. Mark Arbishaw, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think we're only waiting for the number 21 car on back. But I don't think he's got to go. Brad, I need you to help me get things started from 5. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it on. Chelsea getting a little late start. I'm not too worried about it here. Mark Arbishaw looks like he's good hit. That backside of the monster team. He missed a hit on a car. But no. The bumper is proven on the back of the 16 car. Stewart gets pushed over in the corner. He's up on the dirt. He's got to be able to get out of there on his own power. Chelsea drags the bumper and a good hit there. Looking to try and triple number 13 by hitting that front wheel. Chelsea trying to get things started here. She's got it going. Stewart can't move. But he hits a nice glancing blow. Stewart's got out of there. Oh, Troy Stewart somehow has gone out of the corner. And a head-on collision with number 13, Mark Arbishaw. You can see Stewart lining up. And another hard shot from Stewart. It looks to me like he said, I'll take out Arbishaw. Instead, Chelsea moving up. Keep hunting on the car. Chelsea Stewart is looking here at Troy Stewart. Oh, hard shot. She's trying to push him right into the car. That was some smart driving from Chelsea. Arbishaw going nowhere at the moment. He is hung up on the other cars. Uh-oh. Stewart has not got the thing going here. Will Chelsea get the chance to be able to continue to make the hit? Oh, Stewart got it going. It's a look at it. It's a pushing and shoving match between Chelsea and Troy. Oh, he's got him hung up. He's got him hung up. Look at this. Oh, no. A hard shot from Troy Stewart into the front end of Chelsea. Some smoke coming up out of there. Is she able to get things started again? Another hard shot pushes her back into the corner. Only 2 cars remain. And another shot into the wheel, trying to cripple it down. Chelsea unable to get going. Hung up there. Cannot get the traction. Stewart relentless. And it's, wait a minute now. back up a bit. Radiator fluid pouring out of the front as she tries to cripple him by hitting that tire. You heard one time ago of Stewart. He's right on the rim, on the passenger rear. Chelsea Stewart badly damaged to the front side. Hard to do it. The radiator steam is pouring out of Chelsea's car. Hard shot there again, but Chelsea some very fine driving, continuing to circle and minimize the damage as she looks for her opportunity. Stewart trying to come again and hard into that corner, almost not kicking out the wheel. The body crushed down on top of the wheel. She cannot move. No, she's moving again. They just keep hitting each other. Troy Stewart and Chelsea back and forth. 0-8 and 16. The time has got to be becoming a factor now as Stewart is trying to find a way to put Chelsea away. Steam pouring out of both cars. Both front ends tore it up. Stewart pushing and shoving, but Chelsea Stewart doing just the same thing. She's got the back tires spinning, digging a hole into the dirt as she shoves hard on Troy Stewart to push him into the crush cars. Troy Stewart moving again now. Another car, Shoko is caught underneath. He's caught underneath. You know what? If Stewart made that hit and they cannot get separated, it may go to Troy Stewart as the last person. No, Chelsea got off of there. She's got off of there. Stewart sitting in a massive steam. Chelsea coming out of one more time. Hard again, it crushes down the back end. I don't think he can move. The whole backside of the car is sitting on the tires now. She continues to hit. Continues to make these aggressive hits. I think she has crippled Troy Stewart. I don't think he can move to make a hit. Chelsea Stewart looking at the Science of Demolition Derby. The time has got to be counted. Both of them under count right now. Stewart's time is done. The flag is down. Chelsea Stewart has won here tonight. Chelsea Stewart in her rookie drive in time of Demolition Derby has won here tonight. Chelsea Stewart, your Demolition Derby champion. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you on behalf of all of our sponsors for being a part of the Auto Trader Motorsports Spectacular. Autograph session will take place momentarily.